In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Paxful app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device, and if you haven't logged out already, you will directly be taken into your homepage. If you wish to log out, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner, and from the account page, scroll all the way down, and you will see the sign out button. Go ahead and tap on it, and once you tap on sign out, you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to log out from your account. After providing your confirmation, you will be logged out. However, some of your information will still be saved. In order to prevent this, long press on the Paxful app and then tap on the info button at the top right corner. Now, from the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right to stop the application first. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. And now, from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, followed by the delete button. Once you tap on this, all of the user data will be deleted for the Paxful application, which means you will be completely logged out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Paxful application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.